Hey everyone, welcome to KrisDreams. Today, I'll show you how to customize my Chibi Hair Add-On using Photoshop. This set makes it super easy to create custom colors and two-toned hairstyles in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the PSD file in Photoshop. In the Layers panel, you'll see different folders for each hairstyle. Each folder contains a base hair color layer, a hair highlight layer, and other folder labeled Don't Edit. To change the hair color, go to the layer labeled Hair Change Color here. Click on the color thumbnail next to the layer name and the color picker will open. Now, choose any color you like and press OK. The hair updates instantly. For an extra touch, customize the hair highlight layer by clicking the eye icon to make it visible. Then, click the color thumbnail and select a lighter or contrasting shade for a two-toned effect. You can also use my pre-made swatches included in the Layers panel. Simply unhide the swatches layer and use the color picker to apply a color. And that's it, you now have full control over your chibi hairstyles with custom colors and highlights. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my shop for more chibi assets. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.